The journey of premium dried banana blossoms begins in these vast, sun-drenched plantations, where nature meets industrial scale.
Each blossom is hand-harvested at its peak nutritional value to ensure the highest quality for the global market.
Careful handling is essential to prevent bruising, maintaining the structural integrity of the delicate purple bracts.
Preliminary trimming at the source removes excess weight and prepares the material for immediate transport to the facility. Preliminary trimming at the source removes excess weight and prepares the material for immediate transport to the facility.
Efficiency is key. Thousands of pounds of fresh blossoms are gathered every hour to maintain maximum freshness.
The logistics network ensures that the raw material reaches the processing center within minutes of being severed from the plant.
Cold chain logistics start here, preserving the natural moisture and preventing oxidation of the blossoms during transit.
The heavy-duty transport fleet moves consistently, feeding the hungry production lines of the modern dehydration facility. Precision weighing at the entrance establishes the baseline for the day's massive production yield and efficiency tracking.
Verifying the transport conditions ensures that the raw blossoms remained in a state of suspended freshness during their journey. The industrial gates open, marking the first step of the blossom's transformation into a high-value export commodity. Initial inspection begins on stainless steel surfaces, where every blossom is evaluated for size, weight, and overall structural health.
The industrial pace is set, maintaining a high-velocity throughput while allowing for meticulous human oversight at every junction.
Gravitational feed systems move the blossoms gently, preventing damage as they transition to the intensive visual vetting stage.
A 360-degree inspection ensures that the interior of the bracts is free from any natural contaminants or unwanted pests. Order and uniformity are the hallmarks of our process, preparing the material for the automated systems that follow. Digital traceability begins here, linking the raw material to its specific plantation of origin for total transparency. Automated counting provides real-time data to the control room, optimizing the labor force and machine speed accordingly.
The outermost layers are removed to reveal the tender, high-quality material beneath, ideal for premium dehydration.
Consistent color is a key indicator of freshness, and only the brightest specimens are selected for the next phase. The material is now stripped of its heavy outer shell, significantly increasing the concentration of edible fibers per pound.
High-pressure air streams remove fine particulates without the need for water, preserving the blossom's natural dry state. The transition to the wet stage is controlled, ensuring a smooth entry into the intensive washing and sanitation system. Automation begins to take over as the blossoms are channeled into the high-tech heart of the facility. Artificial intelligence analyzes the spectral signature of each blossom, detecting moisture levels invisible to the human eye.
Weight-based sorting ensures that the drying parameters can be perfectly tuned for each specific batch of material.
Continuous monitoring of the automated flow prevents bottlenecks, maintaining the high-velocity output required for daily targets. A natural antioxidant mist is applied to stabilize the blossom's chemistry, preventing browning before the cutting stage. Live performance metrics allow for immediate adjustments, ensuring the factory operates at peak efficiency and quality. Ultraviolet sterilization provides a chemical-free layer of protection, neutralizing pathogens without altering the blossom's natural flavor. The control interface provides total command over the facility's complex sorting algorithms and mechanical operations.
A symphony of modern engineering ensures that every blossom is tracked, sorted, and routed with absolute precision.
3D imaging captures the exact volume of each unit, allowing the system to calculate the optimal drying time. Laser diagnostics penetrate the layers, identifying internal oxidation that would compromise the quality of the final dried product.
Pneumatic actuators move the product with lightning speed, directing each unit to its designated processing path.
Expert calibration is the foundation of our quality control, ensuring the technology operates at the edge of perfection. Instant rejection of substandard material maintains the integrity of the premium line, ensuring only the best blossoms proceed.
The material is now ready for its final transformation, entering the precision cutting zone of the industrial facility.
Air quality is strictly controlled, removing any airborne particles to maintain a pristine and sterile manufacturing environment. Robotic handling ensures perfect alignment, a critical factor for achieving uniform slices across thousands of units.
High-speed rotary blades engage the blossom, transforming the solid heart into delicate, uniform slices in milliseconds.
The physical transformation is complete, as the blossom takes the form that will eventually be enjoyed by consumers worldwide. The fibrous core is automatically separated, leaving only the tender petals that provide the superior texture our brand is known for.
Frequent manual audits verify the machine's precision, ensuring every slice meets the exact millimeter specifications required. A cold water bath immediately stabilizes the sliced material, washing away excess starch and maintaining a crisp texture. Advanced filtration systems ensure that the water used in processing remains pure, preventing any cross-contamination between batches. Mechanical dewatering removes surface moisture, a vital step that increases the efficiency of the thermal dehydration process. Vibratory spreading prevents clumping, ensuring that each slice is individually exposed to the drying air in the next stage. Real-time adjustments to blade speed allow us to handle different blossom varieties with the same level of precision.
The industrial scale of our slicing operation is unmatched, capable of handling tens of thousands of pounds per shift.
Organic citric acid acts as a natural preservative, locking in the bright color and enhancing the final product's shelf stability.
Gentle manual agitation ensures that the preservative coating is applied evenly to every surface of the sliced blossom.
Our commitment to excellence is reflected in the data, confirming that every unit meets our uncompromising quality standards.
The product flow is seamless, moving efficiently toward the critical thermal transformation stage of the production line.
Multiple safety checks ensure that the final product is free from any foreign objects, meeting international food safety codes.
Precision robotic distribution eliminates human error, creating the perfect environment for uniform and consistent dehydration. The visual perfection of the sliced material is a testament to the advanced technology and care invested in our process. Human oversight remains the final gatekeeper, ensuring that every tray is prepared to our exact specifications for quality. Heavy-duty automation handles the logistics of the heavy racks, optimizing space and labor within the dehydration facility. Digital integration allows us to track the thermal journey of every batch, ensuring a perfect result every single time.
The staging area is a hive of organized activity, where the raw material awaits its transformation into a shelf-stable delicacy.
The drying chambers are ready, maintained at a constant base temperature to receive the day's fresh production. Controlled entry into the thermal zone marks the beginning of the most critical phase in the production of dried blossoms. Isolation in a controlled environment is key to removing moisture while preserving the delicate nutrients and flavors of the blossom.
The heating cycle is initiated, following a proprietary curve designed to maximize quality and energy efficiency. Vigilance is maintained throughout the hours-long cycle, ensuring the product transforms perfectly under our expert care.
Constant thermal monitoring ensures the internal climate remains within a fraction of a degree, protecting the delicate blossom fibers.
Bidirectional air circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring that every tray in the massive rack dries at exactly the same rate. Controlled evaporation cycles effectively remove the water content, concentrating the natural essence of the banana blossom for long-term storage. The subtle caramelization of natural sugars gives the dried product its signature golden hue and enhanced flavor profile. Remote access to the drying data allows our experts to make real-time adjustments without interrupting the sterile thermal cycle. Physical transformation is the goal as the blossom reaches its most stable state, ready for international distribution.
Visual monitoring through high-definition internal cameras provides another layer of quality assurance during the critical heating phase.
Achieving the perfect moisture balance is vital for preventing spoilage while maintaining the desired texture for culinary use. A controlled cooling phase prevents the product from becoming brittle, ensuring the slices remain intact during the packaging process.
The transformation is complete. The raw harvest has been successfully converted into a premium, shelf-stable industrial product.
The unveiling of the dried batch reveals the success of our proprietary thermal cycles and precision engineering. Mechanized extraction ensures safety and efficiency, moving the finished product quickly to the final inspection zone. Manual snap tests confirm the structural integrity of the dried blossom, a key indicator of a perfect dehydration cycle.
Gentle handling at this stage is critical to prevent breakage and maintain the premium appearance of the slices.
Advanced X-ray technology provides an invisible safety net, ensuring every gram of product is pure and safe for consumption. Artificial intelligence color sorting filters out any slices that are over-dried or unevenly colored, ensuring a uniform final pack.
Meticulous cleaning of the product stream ensures that only full, beautiful slices make it to the consumer's table.
Precision weighing tracks the final yield, providing critical data on the efficiency of the entire manufacturing journey.
Rigorous laboratory testing guarantees that our products exceed global safety standards for dried food commodities. The seal of approval marks the final step in the quality journey, clearing the product for high-speed packaging.
Gravity-fed systems guide the dried blossoms into the precision dosing units, maintaining high velocity without damaging the product.
Advanced weighing technology ensures that every package contains the exact promised amount, down to the milligram.
High-barrier packaging materials are utilized to protect the product from light, oxygen, and moisture during global transit.
Seamless pouch formation is the foundation of a secure, airtight package that preserves the product's natural aroma. The rhythmic cadence of the packaging line reflects the industrial pulse of a factory operating at peak performance. Nitrogen flushing displaces oxygen, extending the shelf life of the dried blossoms without the need for artificial preservatives. Hermetic sealing creates an impenetrable barrier, locking in the freshness and crunch of the premium banana blossoms.
Clean, precise cutting ensures a professional presentation for the final retail-ready product on the supermarket shelves.
Structural integrity tests of the packaging ensure that no leaks occur during the long journey to international markets.
Laser coating applies permanent, smudge-proof batch and expiry information, essential for global supply chain traceability. Precision marking provides consumers with the vital information they need, ensuring product freshness and safety.
Automated weight verification rejects any underfilled or overfilled units, maintaining strict adherence to trade regulations.
Human vigilance complements robotic precision, providing an extra layer of trust in our manufacturing excellence.
The final product stream gains momentum, moving toward the automated secondary packaging zone for bulk organization.
Geometric precision in stacking maximizes space efficiency and protects the product during the boxing process.
High-speed robotic palletizing and boxing ensure that the production output matches the massive daily raw material intake.
Smart machinery handles the raw materials of packaging, preparing the outer shells for their valuable interior contents. Mechanical sealing provides a robust and secure closure, preparing the boxes for the rigors of heavy industrial transport.
Logistics labeling identifies the contents, weight, and destination, integrating the product into our global distribution network. Heavy-duty robotics manage the final assembly, stacking the boxes with mathematical accuracy for maximum stability. Automated stretch wrapping secures the load, protecting the boxes from moisture and shifting during long-distance haulage.
Final documentation is attached, signaling that the batch is ready for the global marketplace. Industrial mobility is the final link, moving the finished goods from the production floor to the high bay warehouse.
Our storage facilities are designed for maximum density and order, housing the fruits of our high-tech labor. The scale of our operation is a testament to the global popularity and industrial success of the dried banana blossom. The dispatch process begins as the first pallets of the day's 100,000-pound target move toward the loading docks. Heavy-duty logistics are synchronized with production, ensuring that no product sits idle in the warehouse for long.
Strict cleanliness standards extend beyond the factory floor, ensuring the transport environment is as sterile as the production line. Expert loading maximize every cubic inch of space, reducing the carbon footprint of our global distribution. Safety measures prevent movement during sea or road transit, guaranteeing the product arrives in pristine condition. Secure sealing marks the handoff from manufacturing to global logistics, protecting the cargo until it reaches its destination. Professional drivers take charge of the final leg, carrying our commitment to quality across borders and oceans.
The cycle concludes as the finished product begins its journey to kitchens and restaurants around the world.
From the plantation to the retail shelf, the journey of quality is visible in every carefully placed package.
Consumer trust is earned through transparency and the uncompromising quality of our industrial manufacturing process.
The final culinary application showcases the beauty and texture of a product born from high-tech precision. Versatility meets flavor, as our dried blossoms become a staple ingredient for creative chefs in the modern age.
The human element remains at the core of our success, driving the innovation that feeds the world.
The ultimate transformation, preserving the soul of the plant while creating a product built for the modern world. The consumer experience begins with the release of a concentrated floral aroma, a hallmark of our precision dehydration process.
Incredibly resilient, the dried blossoms rehydrate in minutes, returning to their tender, original texture for home-cooked masterpieces. A versatile culinary canvas, our product becomes the star of traditional salads, absorbing flavors while providing a...
From the high-tech factory to the heart of the home, the journey concludes in a celebration of nutrition and authentic taste. The ultimate validation of our industrial excellence is the joy and health we bring to dining tables across the globe.